My name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
All right, here we go. And this car is BS. That's a good thing in this case. The first two letters in the VIN is BS, which designates it's a Cuda, not a Barracuda. It's a genuine Cuda, number match, high performance 340, factory top banana yellow. So it's a really cool car. Visit volocars.com. That's where you'll get all the pricing, specs on this car and a few hundred others that we have for sale. But for right now, how about I take you for a spin? This is from a Mopar collector that we've known. We've gotten several cars from him. He's owned this about 15 years. Had it ground up restored. The body was really clean to start with. They completely professionally repainted it in its original top banana yellow color. It has the original fender tag, and this car has 2 build sheets. I like the Magnum 500 wheels. They look like they're new, a little bit wider. The Cuda came with the sport hood. This one has the sport mirrors, obviously the stripe. And the body and paint's fantastic on this car. Really smooth, slick. I mean, it's polished out like yellow glass. Tail panel's real nice. Tail lights, bumper guards, trim, all really good. Trunk fits nice and flush. Windows real clear. Inside is really nice. The speaker tray is real good. This trim up on top here is nice, original, does have some scuffs on it. Door jambs are painted real nice. The weather strip was replaced. It's kind of unique. It has bucket seats with an automatic shifter on the column. The cushions feel new in the seats. They're nice and firm. Door panels are real nice, original. The originals had a thicker, better plastic. They're not reproduction. They're original and really nice shape. The dash pad looks to be in excellent shape, no cracks. This one has an inside hood release. It is the numbers match 340 motor. I think it was, well, I don't know the horsepower, so I'm not going to guess. But it is number match, and it was rebuilt. There's less than 1,000 miles on this since it was rebuilt. Power steering, power disc brakes. New sill plates. Carpet was replaced. Headliner looks real nice. Underneath, the car is not restored and pretty, but it's completely solid and respectable. Trunk compartment is all clean metal. It's got a new mat, painted yellow. Under the mat is really nice. New weather strip. This has all been painted. I don't see any seams or splices. If they replaced the quarters, they were at the factory seams. I don't see any cuts. I'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Getting back to the underside, it's got new exhaust, new fuel tank. It's a 323 sure grip rear end, 727 automatic. Suspension components aren't new. They look to be in good shape. They never painted or restored the floors. They're good original, nice frame rails, nice rockers, just real good, respectable condition. This actually hasn't been started since yesterday. This has been sitting in here, so let's see what happens. Nice. Fired right up. Interior light works. Sounds nice. Oh, I kicked it down off the high idle, which I shouldn't have done. Again, it's a really good car. Comes from a good collector. He had the transmission rebuilt as well. Windshield looks new. It's got the proper antenna. Looks like it has the seat belts. Body is real nice and straight. See if we can hear the idle. Once it warms up and the idle comes down, it has that nice lopey cam. Again, I'm just looking across the roof. The paint is like glass. Beautiful finish, no vinyl top. So there you have it. Visit volocars.com. That's where you'll get all the information, plenty of ways to contact us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's the best way to see these videos as we put them out. So I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.